Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
The concept of a masculine living room decoration style embraces a bold and sophisticated approach to interior design, reflecting strength, individuality, and a keen sense of style. This aesthetic is characterized by a careful balance of form and function, resulting in spaces that are not only visually striking but also tailored for comfort and practicality. Color palettes in masculine living room designs often gravitate towards a more subdued and earthy spectrum. Deep, rich tones like charcoal gray, navy blue, and forest green form the foundation, creating a sense of warmth and coziness. These darker hues are frequently complemented by accents of leather, metal, or natural wood finishes, fostering a sense of timeless elegance. Furniture selections play a pivotal role in defining the masculine living room style. Large, substantial pieces with clean lines and minimal embellishments are favored. Leather sofas, often in shades of brown or black, exude a sense of luxury and durability. Strong, angular shapes in coffee tables and side tables contribute to the overall sense of masculinity, while maintaining a balance with functionality. Materials in masculine living room designs are chosen for their tactile appeal. The interplay of leather, metal, and wood creates a dynamic contrast that adds visual interest. Raw, unfinished woods or distressed finishes bring an element of ruggedness, while polished metals and smooth leather introduce a touch of refinement. This combination of textures adds depth and character to the space. Art and decor in a masculine living room are curated with a discerning eye. Large-scale artwork, often depicting bold and powerful subjects, becomes a focal point. Sculptures and decorative elements, such as vintage maps, industrial lighting fixtures, or antique books, contribute to the narrative, showcasing the occupant's personality and interests. The layout of a masculine living room is carefully considered to enhance both style and functionality. Symmetry and balance are often achieved through the arrangement of furniture and decor. Statement pieces, like a tufted leather chair or a well-designed media console, become anchor points within the space. The overall design aims for a sense of order and purpose. Lighting in masculine living room designs is a blend of functionality and aesthetics. Industrial-style pendant lights or statement chandeliers contribute to the overall ambience. Floor and table lamps with strong, angular lines further enhance the masculine character while providing task lighting for reading or relaxation. In conclusion, the masculine living room decoration style is an embodiment of strength, sophistication, and individuality. Through carefully selected colors, materials, furniture, and decor, these interiors exude a sense of confidence and purpose. The result is a living space that is not only visually striking but also a true reflection of the occupant's distinctive taste and lifestyle.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!